is no include. Look underneath. I'm a motherfucking star.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So this is an actual enclosure underneath.
I guess. There is no enclosure. Look underneath.
Wow, so the vehicle's that's pretty cool. Wow, it's pretty cool. Is it waterproof? So the motor underneath waterproof?
So if you take a look, see the plates here?
Yes, sir.
So there's locations for a plate to bolt. So we've got hydrophobic mesh that will bolt to it.
Okay.
But this is much simpler just to show people.
Yeah.
There is no enclosure.
Yeah. So the vehicle will act of its own space.
The car is the enclosure.
Yeah. So your windows will be your ports.
When you open the hatch, the base disappears.
Got it.
It's completely different. Yeah. So
I didn't think it was exposed.
Oh yeah. And everybody's like, oh, you're gonna pick up road debris, you're gonna pick up water.
Can I hear it real quick? Okay.
Go ahead and put your window up.
Yes, sir.
So, this is the stereo integrity demo vehicle. What I'm going to do first is give you an SQ tune because that's what the car is built for.
Cool.
So, you know it's loud out there. We're fairly quiet in here right now, right?
Yeah.
So the whole goal of the car was to keep everything hidden, and right now we've got the stereo integrity the 1-inch tweet, the 3-inch carbon mid, and his 6.5s. We're running, you saw in the back on the right side, we've got the 75.4. That's Class AB. It's powering the tweets in the mids.
Okay.
The 200.2 that's on the left side is powering the 6.5s in the doors, and the big amplifier you saw behind there is the 200.4. That's 4-channel. It's Class AB. So we're taking the 4 channels, bridge them down to 2, and we're getting 875 watts by 2 at 4 ohms. All Class AB. We're sending that to each coil of the 24.
Subwoofer. Okay.
So we're sending 1750 to the 24.
Nice.
It's an SQ car.
Yes,
so
sir.
I'm going to give you a bit of SQ stuff. I don't know if that's going to be good for your...
Whatever you want to do.
But
you do your thing.
Then we'll get windy.
Okay.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I'm really looking forward to showing y'all the demo today from the Stereo Integrity Car Audio Base demo vehicle. Be sure to comment, let them know what you think about their system. Very unique build. I'm really an honor for me to be able to get a video of this. I've got 3 songs for sound quality side and then 2 songs for the bass demo side today to be able to show you how this thing sounds and a full demo vehicle that they have from Stereo Integrity. Shout out to y'all. You did a really good job and a very impressive vehicle stereo system where the enclosure is the vehicle pretty much. So be sure to give them a like if you haven't already, as well as consider subscribing for daily cardio videos from JacobViral. I'm hoping y'all are going to enjoy the video, and stay tuned by the end. You're going to see an insane demo, not just on the bass side, but also on the sound quality music side. Enjoy.
Looks good. I've never seen the amp style of that Class AB. I didn't realize that wasn't a monoblock. Very sweet.
That's a big 4-channel.
That's awesome.
It's massive.
Okay.
And this is just...
You're good. It's a sound quality vehicle.
Yes.
Yep.
And when we get windy, we'll just take the sound quality tune and turn up the knob.
Yep.
So I'm going to jump through these, hit different parts of them, and then basically just let you hear the drums come in on that one, and we'll keep moving. Yeah, so let's drop that window.
Okay. Sound quality is hard to show on video.
It is. This will not be hard to show.
DJ Rust.
It's a different sound that you don't hear in a box. Slide on a nigga with the phone. This is Stereo Integrity's brand.
This is the factory demo car.
Okay,
so,
very nice.
And if you guys want to check out the build, I'm assuming you're recording right now.
Yes, sir.
Bad Dog Garage.
Okay.
On YouTube, Facebook, you can see full videos of the build, sound treatment, everything that went into it. All of the welding. And,
yes, sir. Yep. Awesome. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.